Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Kajabi with AI for course announcements automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Kajabi account. Navigate to the products section from your dashboard. Select the course you want to configure for announcements. In the course settings, look for the emails tab. Click on it to access your email settings. Here, you will see the option to create a new email campaign. Choose Create New Campaign to get started. Name your email campaign for easy identification. Next, move to the email configuration section. Here, you can customize the subject line and body of your message. To integrate AI, use a tool like OpenAI's GPT-3 or another suitable AI platform. In your AI tool, input the context for the announcement you want to create. Generate the announcement content based on your specifications. Copy the generated text from the AI tool. Return to Kajabi and paste the content into the email body. Ensure the message is clear, engaging, and informative. Set conditions for when you want the announcement to be sent. You can trigger announcements based on course completion or specific dates. Once satisfied with your setup, review all the details. Check for any spelling or grammatical errors before finalizing. After reviewing, click the Save button to save your email campaign. To schedule the announcement, click on Send Test Email to ensure everything looks good. Once confirmed, schedule the email to go out at your desired time. Finally, monitor the performance of your announcements through Kajabi's analytics. Adjust future announcements based on engagement metrics to optimize for your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.